recipe, that is Rajahmundry Special Rose Milk. I have prepared in 3 different flavors. Let's start the process. Come, first let's prepare rose syrup. I am using here rose petals to prepare homemade rose syrup. Let's clean the rose petals. Let's dry the rose petals in sun for 2 to 3 days. Rose petals were dried completely. Now let's start how to prepare rose syrup. Let's take one bowl and pour 1 cup of water into it. Add dried rose petals into water. Boil it until 5 to 10 minutes. Slowly rose petals will lose its color and water will absorb its flavor and color. Now rose water is ready. Take a bowl. Filter the rose water from the rose petals. Keep the rose water aside and now let's prepare the rose syrup. Take one bowl. Add 1 cup of water. Add 1 cup of sugar. Stir it until the sugar gets melt. After sugars get completely melt, add rose water. Let's boil the water for 5 to 10 minutes. While the water is boiling, add half teaspoon of rose or vanilla essence. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half tablespoon lemon juice. Again boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rose water turns into syrup consistency. Check the consistency and filter it. I am not adding any color agent here. If you want a thick color, you can add 2 to 3 drops of red color. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes and take it into one glass. Consistency of the rose syrup should be like this. Refrigerate it and you can store it up to more than 2 weeks. Now let's boil semya. Take one pan, heat it and add 1 cup of water into it. Add 1/4 cup of vermicelli, approximately 25 grams. Boil it until it becomes soft. Vermicelli is nicely cooked. Now remove the water and wash with cold water to avoid overcooking. Keep the semya aside. Now let's start preparing kova. Take one pan, heat it, add 1/3 cup of sugar, approximately 70 grams. Let's caramelize the sugar. Heat it for 5 to 10 minutes. Wow, sugar started caramelize. Let's completely caramelize the sugar. Heat it for 5 to 10 minutes more. We must need more patience to prepare this kova. But the taste was super yummy. Please try it. Wow, sugar completely caramelized. After sugar completely caramelized, add equal quantity of hot water, that is 1/3 cup. Caramelized water is ready. Now add half liter milk into it. becoming thicker. Slowly the milk color and texture was completely changed. Now kova was prepared. The texture should be like this. Now off the stove and take it into bowl. Now rose syrup and kova was prepared. Now first we'll prepare simple rose milk. Take 1 glass. Add 1 tablespoon kova. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. Add chilled milk into it. Add nuts of your choice. Wow! Plain rose milk is ready. Let's try it and enjoy the taste. Comment it if you like the taste. Next we'll prepare Kova Rose Milk. Take a glass. Add 3 tablespoons of kova. Add 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. Add milk into the glass. Finally, add nuts of your choice. Now Kova Rose Milk is ready. Let's taste it and enjoy. Now let's prepare Semya Rose Milk. Take a glass. Add 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. Add boiled semya. Add 2 tablespoons of kova. Add milk into it. Add nuts of your choice. Wow! Semya Rose Milk is ready. Let's try it and comment the taste. 3 flavors of Rajahmundry Rose Milk is ready. People who are visiting Rajahmundry,